Chapter 12, Books of Original Entry, Special Purpose, Subsidiary Books. After studying this chapter, you will be able to understand format and preparation of special purpose subsidiary books. These are purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, and journal proper. Today we will discuss about the purchase book. Purchase book or purchase journal. All credit purchases of goods are recorded in the purchase book. Goods here means only those things in which the firm is dealing, or these are the items which are purchased for resale. For example, a firm dealing in clothes purchases clothes. It will be treated as purchase of goods and will be recorded in the purchase book. But if the same firm purchases furniture, it will be treated as purchase of an asset and will not be recorded in the purchase book. Purchase book is also known as invoice book or purchase day book. And there are the some items which are not recorded in the purchase book, and these are, first one is cash purchases. Whenever the firm purchase the goods on cash basis, then it will be recorded in the cash book. Second, purchase of asset. Only credit purchases of goods are recorded in the purchase book. Purchase of assets such as machinery, furniture, typewriter, etc. are not recorded in the purchase book. These are recorded in journal proper if purchased on credit, or in the cash book if purchased for cash. Recording of transactions. How to record the transactions in the purchase book? We record the transactions in the purchase book on the basis of source document, and source document are the invoices or bills received by the firm from the supplier of the goods, and the invoice contains the quantity of the goods, rate, amount, trade discount, etc. Trade discount, the purchases will always recorded after deducting the trade discount. For example, goods of the list price of base 10,000 are purchased at 20% discount, trade discount. Then the amount of trade discount is 2,000. Only 8,000 will be recorded in the purchase book. And the format of purchase book is, in first column we will write the date and the year, and second column name of the supplier from whom the firm purchased the goods on credit. Third column invoice number means bill number. Fourth column ledger folio. Ledger folio means page number of ledger. Details, purchases, input CGST and input SGST. Whenever the goods are purchased within a state, then input CGST and input SGST, and input IGST if firm purchases the goods from outside the state, then input IGST, and in last column total amount. Let us discuss illustration 1. Enter the following transactions in the purchase book of Pawan Electric Store, New Delhi, assuming CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. 2017 June 2nd. Purchase goods from Surya Electric Store, Chandni Chowk, Delhi on credit. Invoice number 480. 40 tube lights at the rate of ₹500 each. The cost price of one tube light is 500. Then the cost price of 40 tube lights will be 500 into 40. And 15 table fans at the rate of ₹2,000 each at a trade discount of 20%. In the column, in first column, date year 2017, date June 2nd, name of the supplier, Surya Electric Store, Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Invoice number 480. 40 tube lights at the rate of rupees 500 each. 400 into 500, 20,000. 15 table fans at the rate of rupees 2,000 each. 15 into 2,000. The cost price of one table fan is 2,000. Then the cost price of 15 table fans will be 15 into 2,000, 30,000. Total purchases are 50,000 and discount of 20%. 50,000 into 20% and trade discount is 10,000. After deducting trade discount, we calculate the CGST and SGST. CGST and SGST will be calculated on 40,000. 40,000 into 6%, 2,400 CGST and 2,400 is SGST, and total amount is 44,800. In purchases column, we will record 40,000, the amount of purchases after deducting trade discount, and input CGST we will record 2,400 and 2,400 will be recorded in input SGST column, and input IGST we will leave it blank because goods are purchased from within a state, and in total column we will record 44,800. Next transaction, both goods from New Light Traders cannot place New Delhi on credit. Invoice number 2310, 10 ceiling fans at the rate of rupees 3,000 each and 20 electric irons at rupees 500 each. Trade discount 10%. June 10, New Light Traders cannot place New Delhi. Invoice number 2310, 10 ceiling fans at rupees 3,000 each. 10 into 3,000, 30,000. 20 electric irons of rupees 500 each. Then the cost price of 20 electric irons will be 10,000. Total purchases will be 40,000 and trade discount is 10%. 40,000 into 10%, 4,000, and after deducting trade discount, the amount is 36,000, and we will calculate CGST and SGST on 36,000. 6% of 36,000 is 2160 and 2160, and total is 40,320. And in purchases column we will record 36,000 and in input CGST 2160, input SGST 2160, and the total amount is 40,320. Next transaction, purchase goods from Ravindra Electric Company, Patel Nagar, New Delhi on credit. Invoice number 1508, 100 dozen bulbs at the rate of rupees 600 per dozen. 20 water heaters at the rate of rupees 1,000 each, less 10% trade discount. June 20th, Ravindra Electric Company, Patel Nagar, New Delhi. Invoice number 1508, 100 dozen bulbs at the rate of rupees 600 per dozen. 100 into 600, 60,000. 20 water heaters at the rate of rupees 1,000 each. 1,000 into 20, 20,000. Total amount is 80,000 and trade discount is 25%. 25% of 80,000 is 20,000. After deducting trade discount 60,000 and CGST is 60,000 into 6 upon 100. 3600, and SGST is also 6% of 60,000, 3600. Total amount is 67,200. And in purchases column they will record 60,000, and in input CGST 3600, input SGST is 3600, and total amount is 67,200. Next transaction, bought from Sunny Lamp, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi for cash, invoice number 705, 5 electric irons, 480 each. But these goods are purchased in cash, therefore these items will not be recorded in the purchase book. These items will be recorded in the cash book. And next, 28 June, bought from Fashion Furniture Company, Chitragupta Road, New Delhi on credit, invoice number 3450. He is a dealer of electronic items, but he purchased furniture from Fashion Furniture Company on credit, 12 chairs and 2 tables. These items will not be recorded in the purchase book. These items will be recorded in the journal proper. And on 30th of June 30, the total amount of purchases is 1,36,000, 36,000 plus 60,000 and plus 40,000, and total input IGST is 8160, and total input SGST is 8160, and total amount of purchases including input CGST and SGST is 44,800 plus 40,000, 320, and plus 67,200, that is 1,52,320.